Amazon for I think like less than $20. And the reason why I got this, oh, sorry, because of the iPad. You can mount this in your iPad, and you can also use your cell phone in here. And I think this one right here is going to be strong enough to handle the, how you call this, handle the weight. And also you get this little Bluetooth here. It's cool to have. Now the tripods are getting cheaper and cheaper, and getting lighter and lighter. And this one right here is I think this one is a 50-inch tripod, and that's the brand. And the build quality, it seems, I mean, for $15 or $10, it's not bad. And it can go all the way up, but let's see here that, you know, you got different mounting. You can just take this mount here. Of course, you can mount your phone. You can take some quick shots with it. It's very interesting. Still lightweight. And you get this little Bluetooth controller here, and you will link in. And you can just take pictures. It'll take pictures. And they have one for Android and also have one for iOS. And then if you want to go ahead and do a camera, just a second. Go the camera. You just press and record. So yeah, the Bluetooth works. But yeah, for the price, not bad, and you can actually do more with it.
Alright guys, this is my setup here. This is the tripod that I got at Amazon. I think they're like what? And that's the brand. Dji Osmo Pocket. You can make this obsolete tool, and it's actually strong enough from the wind. And that's the reason why for this price it's not bad. So if you're gonna look for a tripod, a really lightweight tripod, I would suggest you to look it up in Amazon. But it works fine. And right now it's a little bit gusty. I did have a stronger tripod when I have my Osmo Mobile. The reason why I have that, because the mobile itself is heavy. Not saying heavy, but it got some weight to it. And also you have to put a phone. Depends on the phone, if you have the Plus version or you have the iPhone 10 or anything like that, so you want a lightweight. So this one also do good, but that's my setup. If I need to see anything, that will give me the shot, and that's a cool thing about having it. So yeah, totally interesting.